Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at another one of our 5x10 Tornado packages. It's a 5.5 gallon pressure washer with a 12 volt soft wash system. This one has a few upgrades, so we'll go through the whole system and we'll give you all the details. So up front here, it's kind of behind the hose reels. We have our 3000 PSI 5.5 gallon minute pressure washer. It's a belt driven Comet RW series pump. And it's got the Honda GX 390 engine on it. One of our most common type of 5.5 gallon pressure washers for sure. The front two hose reels are Cox reels. They're both 12-inch reels. This one has 100 feet of 3/8 hose and then 100 feet of the 3/4 inch Flexzilla garden hose on the bottom. The nice thing that we do on these ones is we always get the 3/4 inch manifold on the incoming hose reel. So that's going to fill your tank up a lot faster than the 1/2 inch manifolds will. If you want to pull from your 5.5 gallon pressure washer and use your soft wash system at the same time, then your 100 gallon tank should be able to keep up with that as long as you've got a good water source and it's going through that high flow manifold. From the manifold, we have a strainer before the water actually goes into your 100 gallon water tank. And then there's also a strainer before it goes to your soft wash system and to your pressure washer. We've got our 50 gallon bleach tank here. The hose that you see down here at the bottom, this is actually our tank drain for the 100 gallon water tank. It's a 1-inch hose, and then it's got the brass ball valve here to control opening and closing it so that you don't have to reach in any further to get to a valve on the trailer, and you can kind of direct it into a bucket if you need to wash your hands, or if you have to, you can put extensions of hose onto this just by threading another extension of hose if you want to put it directly down a drain. Next up is our 7 gallon surfactant tank. So the surfactant tank gets added whenever the proportioner is added to the system. So we have our base package for Tornado, and then we've got the proportioner add-on. This one also has the surface cleaner add-on, and it has the gray protective flooring add-on. So you can kind of see some of the features that he chose to add on to here. Just makes it more functional, better protected, and just a more complete package. So the soft wash system we have here, this is our 12 volt soft wash box. We've got a 12-inch Titan hose reel, and we have the locking connection in here just to make sure nothing gets loose while you're driving down the road. The Titan hose reel has a stainless steel manifold just to prevent corrosion from the bleach that's being used. The box does not have to be opened in order to operate it, but if you did want to open it, you just need to put your gate down and you can open the latch from over here. Otherwise, your power switch is just right here. To charge it, you just open up this port here and you can charge it any 110 volt outlet. And then your charge meter is right here. That'll tell you where your battery's at. The charger that we use for this is a charger and a battery maintainer. So you can leave it plugged in over the winter and keep your battery maintained so that it, one, doesn't freeze if you're up in our northern states here, or just to keep it, it'll last a lot longer if it has like a tender on it. Inside the box, we have our 12 volt pump and our accumulator. It's a 100 PSI 7 gallon per minute system. What we do with the pump to make it a little easier for the end user is we use quick connect connections. So if you ever have to repair or replace that pump, it's very easy to take it out and put a new one in. We'll move around to the driver's side. We like to leave the gates on these landscape trailers because not only can you add, signage to the back if you want to promote your company, but we can easily just strap the hose reels right to them without having to do any special fabricating or racks. I'm sorry, surface cleaners. I don't know, what did I say?
Hose reels.
Sorry. We've been doing a lot of videos today. So surface cleaner, you can just, we just use these rubber straps here to hold everything in place. As long as it's heavy duty, you don't have to worry about it coming loose or anything like that. And it's super easy to grab when it's on the back of the trailer. This is the other view of the 100 gallon water tank. The two hoses that you see on top, this is our feed hose. So it goes from the garden hose reel through the filter up through this feed. Underneath this feed is a float valve, so that when you're filling, it'll automatically shut off your water supply when your tank is full, and as soon as that water starts to deplete, it'll automatically start filling your tank again as long as your water source is still on. And then this is our cool bypass hose. Whenever you're using your system, whenever you're using your pressure washer and you pull the trigger, all the water's going out through your wand assembly. When you let go of the trigger and the engine's still running, it's cycling back at the pump. So what we like to do is we extend that bypass over to the tank, and then it can recirculate the water from the tank to your pump, keeping it nice and cool so you don't have to worry about overheating it. And then you just have the other side of the pressure washer here. Better view of the flooring. We use a nice not corrosion resistant, but chemical resistant flooring. It's got the diamond plate on it, so it's slip resistant. Not typically walking on these trailers too much, but in our closed trailers, it's a big issue. And then we use aluminum trim all the way around. Make sure that stays nice and secure in place. So if you have any questions on this package, we've got more information on our website. It's 3rpressurewashers.com, or you're more than welcome to give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks.